My name is Burling Shirt. I live in Seattle, Washington, USA. My native language is English. With this Fi3M challenge, I'm planning to continue learning Irish. And my past experience with this is the Fi3M Challenge 18, which is just about completed. So it's about almost 90 days of studying Irish. I speak German and Spanish, and my biggest struggle continues to be vocabulary and remembering it on the fly. And then that, of course, translates into being able to create sentences on the fly. My language learning plan is a minimum of 6 days a week, 60 minutes per day. So I'm hoping to, and I want to do this challenge at the advanced level for Irish. I think I've made a pretty good start at learning Irish, and I'll admit I've had challenges, but that's the way it goes, you know. So again, my name is Burling Shirt, and I look forward to working with you over the next 90 days on this challenge. Thank you.